Step back from the cakes, please. Well done. It's one of the strangest experiences of my life.
Look at this.
An incredible look-alike. Hi guys, I'm Chris Stark. Welcome to Connect with Baking. This is the fondant challenge. This is the challenge where you have to interpret each other through cake design. You are going to be against each other. So design the face onto the fondant, and then I'm going to judge who's the best one. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, decorate. Right. Where to start then, boys? I don't know if you've ever spent a long time sort of staring at his face like this before, but isn't it crazy how much of a competition we're making out of essentially something we all did as children, but we're 2 Champions League winners. Marcus, you've not got that far into it, you're sort of sketching it out.
Yeah, I'm about to start.
You're taking it so seriously. Guys, just for a bit of inspiration, this is the one I knocked up earlier. Does he normally look that smiley, Marcus?
Can't complain. Not bad, I was expecting worse.
Right, I'm going to do a countdown now, lads. 3, 2, 1. Stop what you're doing.
Look at this.
An incredible look-alike with
Yeah.
Marcus there. You've got his eyes perfect, the lips there and everything. Marcus, let's have a look how you've gone about this then. You see you've got the shape of his head wonderful there. The nose, I can't say what it looks like, but you've given him a bigger beard there than he's got.
Beard.
Yeah, he hasn't even got a beard. It looks like kids' drawings on cakes. I know you both want to win it, but in terms of which cake looks like the other person the most, César, you've got it. Whoa! Well done. Well done.
Yeah, the trophy.
Absolutely huge. Look at that.
Look at that.
Are you happy with what each other looks like on your cakes? Or?
I'm very happy with my opera.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I think I deserve to win the first challenge.
Let's take a selfie here.
On to the next challenge. You boys are ice cool on the pitch, but can you ice a cake? That is the question. Here's one I made earlier. Have a look at that. Decent, isn't it?
By yourself.
Oh, you know, I've got skills as well. So you two have got to try and do that. 3, 2, 1, go! I'm using a fork.
A difficult one, eh?
That's kind of really good, actually. Marcus is actually spelling the icing as I've seen it on TV.
He's doing well.
I think you can't keep using your fingers for all of this. On one side, I see the word Chelsea being beautifully formed in the top of the cake, and the other side...
Just you see blue and white, huh?
Yeah.
That's okay.
I'm excited to judge this. All right, guys, 3, 2, 1. Step back from the cakes, please. How are we feeling?
Disaster.
Right, let's judge these cakes. Dispose of the cake. That's controversial, isn't it?
That was my challenge, was to make cupcakes, huh?
The winner is Marcus Alonso.
Clear.
What an effort. What an effort.
Very good.
The detail on that, Marcus, is something special. It's one to take back to the family with pride.
You should. I did really bad.
I'm very proud of myself.
What do you feel about your opponent's skills?
I think it was a complete disaster.